Hello everyone. Today we will create different designs in Python using function and arguments. First step is to pick the import turtle block from the import section. The next will be the turtle block. The next block will be the screen block. Add in a function block from the function section. Define a function named sides and create an argument n. Add in a for loop from the loops section inside the function block. Enter n in the for loop. We will add in two forward blocks next. Enter the length of sides in the first forward block. Toggle the second forward block to left. Now we pick up a math equation from the math section. Place it in the second forward block. Edit the equation block. Toggle it to division. Add in a while true loop outside the function block. Add in a function block from the statements section inside the while loop. Edit and enter the function circle in it. Pick the int block from the statements section added in the function block. Now insert the input block in the int block and edit the text. Perform a final check and if correct, run the code. Enter the number of sides. The desired design starts forming slowly. Try this for different number of sides. Similarly, you can create different designs, patterns, and shapes in Python.